Hi, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, as you can see by the title, today I'm going to be installing this curly highlighted wig. This wig is going to be from Yolova Hair, and this is what the packaging and everything looks like. It comes in like this nice box, and this is the hair. It came with the wig cap, and then some tweezers and some eyelashes, and then this is the wig itself. So this one is a 13 by 4 inch lace frontal wig. This is what the front of it looks like, and this is what the inside and everything looks like. Has clips and all that. The hair, I felt like I didn't need to dye it or touch up on it or anything like that to make it fit my skin tone. I felt like it was fine for me to use. So yeah, I'm using my powdered foundation and I'm coloring the lace, and then I'm putting it on. My wig cap, as you can see, I didn't glue it down. I didn't do a bald cap method or anything, just because that, I don't know, that takes a lot of time. So I just kind of stopped doing that. So now I'm cutting off the lace by my ears so I can, pull the hair around my ear like how I normally do. I'm just going to install the wig how I normally install any other wig on my channel. And you guys can just kind of finish watching me do this. So once I'm done touching up on my wig cap and I'm wiping my scalp and everything down so there's no foundation on there, I'm using my lace glue, my hair glue, and I'm putting that on. I put it on in the wrong section. Normally I only do normally I start off with the front section, the middle section first, so that there's no like bumps or anything, but I made a mistake and I put it on that side. It's nothing to really get worried about, I guess, but I like to put it on the middle there first just so I don't have any type of bumps or anything or like lifting, so yeah, I'm using that. I'm going with my comb and I'm flattening that out. And yeah, you guys can just kind of finish watching me install the wig, put the glue down, and then put the actual lace down and cut the lace and da da da. You guys can just go ahead and finish watching me do that. Okay, so once I'm done installing the wig, you can see the hair or the cap is so discolored. It's super light. It's nothing compared to my skin tone, which I will fix later on in the video. I didn't show it on here, but I'll explain why later on. So now I use some water and I'm wetting the front part of my hair. I'm using a comb and I'm making a middle part. I wanted a simple little middle part here, and I'm brushing that out. So once I'm done with that, that's like the part I want to go with for the rest of the video. I'm clipping the hair back and I'm starting on my baby hairs. I'm using some scissors and I'm just taking some hair out. I'm using some mousse and I'm smoothing that down. Here again, you guys can just watch me do my edges. It's not really anything to explain, anything to go into detail about. I'm just pulling some hair out and then swooping it over. So this is what my hair looks like once I finished. Don't start yet. Don't go to the comments yet, but I do fix it later on off camera. I only fixed it off camera because I did not like it right here in this clip and I did not expect to upload the video, but I just like randomly was off camera and I fixed it. So yeah, just ignore the lace, ignore the baby hairs for right now. I'll fix it later on. So right now I'm using some water, some mousse, and I'm just combing out the hair, combing out the curls. The curls on this were really nice. Especially with the mousse. I love using mousse when I do a curly hair wig. But yeah, I do that and I'm brushing it out. I wanted kind of like a big puffy kind of look with this. I didn't want it to be like a wet look. I wanted the curls to be really big and like fluffy. So yeah, I'm using that and I'm combing through with my Demon brush. And yeah, you guys can just finish watching me do that. And again, ignore, I didn't cut that back lace either. But anyways, ignore the front lace and how it looks right now. I'm going to fix it later. But yeah, I'm using the mousse in the water and I'm doing the same thing on both sides of the hair. If you want a wet look, I would say to do this and like not fluff it out later on. Just keep it like this. Maybe use, I don't know, oil. I don't know. I don't really do a wet look usually, but if you do want a wet look, I say to do the steps I'm doing now. But yeah, anyways, I'm using my comb, brushing out. I used a lot of mousse too. And yeah, this is what it looks like when I got done. It's super wet still, so I went ahead and let it dry. This is what it looks like when I come back on. I had it clipped back just so that the hair doesn't fall into my face or nothing like that. In a second here, you can see the wig, the lace looks a lot better. It's not perfect. It's not 100% perfect. I feel like in certain lights, it does look good and does blend in well, but I went ahead and fixed it off camera. It does look a lot better than what it looked before. It's not perfect, but it's better. So now I'm using that same brush and I'm just combing out the hair. Like I said, I wanted like a fluffy kind of big type of look with this hair with these curls. So I went ahead and did that. I'm also using a little bit more water because it got a little bit too frizzy when I was doing that. But yeah, you can just continue to watch me do this and try to perfect the curls to how I want them to look. So I think I'm going to go ahead and give this wig a 10 out of 10. One, I love the color of the wig. I love how I didn't have to color it or bleach it or do anything special to the wig to fit my skin tone like I've done in the past. So also I love the curl pattern of it. This is a really nice curly wig for it to be a bleached wig. The curls are nice and they're not like super bad and falling apart and whatnot. So yeah, this is how long the wig is on me. This is where it falls on me. Again, I will have the links and everything down below so you guys can go check out the wig, check out the website and everything. Thank you again to Yolova Hair for sending me this wig. And again, I will have everything down below in the description box. And that's all for this video. Hope you guys liked the video and everything I showed. And if you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more content and more videos from me. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!